Hey, she shot on her arm. Do you want to cuff her? You want me to cuff her? Okay.
It all started with a routine traffic call on the 134 freeway. A driver slammed into another car and decided to run for it. But what began as a simple hit-and-run investigation was about to spiral out of control as the suspects fled straight into a quiet neighborhood.
LA City 911 operator 516.
Hi, CHP. If you can respond out with the area, our officers are on an accident, eastbound 134, just west of Figueroa, and one of the drivers took for the, oh, sorry.
Okay, hold on. On the 134 freeway going eastbound?
Yeah, eastbound and just west of Figueroa.
Okay, hold on.
So they're requesting if you guys can respond to Figueroa at the 134.
Okay. And you guys need to block up the traffic? I mean, block up people entering from there, or?
To check the area for the suspect that fled the scene.
Oh, okay, got it. Okay.
They said it was two black males that was running.
Okay.
And one of them had no shirt.
Okay, CSP request. Okay, the first suspect, a male?
Yeah, they said there's three black male adults.
Okay,
one has a yellow blanket around him.
Hold on, three male blacks. Okay, about how old is the first one?
I didn't say.
Go ahead with the person's description.
One is wearing no shirt.
Okay, number two.
One is carrying miscellaneous items pretending to be hitchhiking.
Okay, hold on. That's the second person? Or the guy with no shirt, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, carrying.
He's just carrying miscellaneous items, the second person.
Okay. And number three?
It's a black male adult wearing a yellow blanket around him. And he's asking passing motorists to give him a ride.
Okay. NA Northeast Enemy CHP, figure on the 134 East. CHP request PD checks the area for suspects involved in a TC on the eastbound 134 freeway at Figueroa. Suspects are three male blacks. Number one, no shirt. Number two, no further carrying miscellaneous items. Number three, covered in a yellow blanket. Possible to attempting to get a ride. It's code is at 3269 or 1109.
Patrol units flooded the area with descriptions of the suspects in hand. They started setting up a perimeter, searching through residential backyards for any sign of the men.
Northeastern is on your seat. You can back their location. Waldo.
Where's he at? I see him.
Private security cameras picked up one of the men moving through the yards. The search was narrowing down, and officers were closing in on where they thought the suspects were cornered.
Hey, sir. He's in the backyard? Where is he at right now? In the other yard? Okay. Do you still see him? Do you still see him? Hey. Yeah, I guess he went out on the other side on Eagle Vista. What does he look like?
Black shorts, white top, blue shorts, natural hair.
11X38 is requesting a unit on Eagle Vista 1 east of Waldo.
X-30 officers reporting that the suspect is last seen eastbound on Eagle Vista from Waldo from the resident's backyard. It's going to be a male black, white shirt, blue shorts.
Yeah. We have units right now going the other side.
Yeah, but jumping through the resident's backyard.
Can one of you back me to go into this house?
Additional or
Yeah.
additional or
There's a homeowner that came out.
green also shirt, red, and black afro.
He wants us to. Hey, sir. Hey, give me 1 second. This is not the house right now. Yeah. I think we just go in there. Because he's in there. Hey, whoa.
Does anyone code 6 with DHP? See if they're able to switch over to one of the Claymores channels, the mutual aid channel, so that you guys all talking on the same frequency.
While officers were focused on the search for the drivers, they had no idea they were actually being watched. This is Jillian Shriner, a local homeowner who decided to step out into her yard with a loaded handgun.
Put the gun down!
Hey, hold the frequency. We got eyes on the suspect. Hey, Airship, we got eyes on the suspect. We're in the rear residence of Waldo.
Put the gun down! Put it down! Put it down on the ground! Put it down on the
Okay,
ground!
roger that.
Just lay the gun down! Lay the gun down!
Hey, he has a gun.
Do that! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Just walk away.
Hey, it's a female Hispanic. Long gray shirt, black hair, black pants. She has a gun in her hand.
Put the gun
Okay,
down!
I got eyes on her. Hey, units on
What's that
the
gun?
east side. Over
Yeah, put the gun down, okay?
Shop, disregard.
Yeah.
Redeploy here. We only have one eye. God, I can't see you right now. Gun's not up. Ma'am, we're trying to help you.
It looks like that location's gonna be Eagle Vista. The long driveway up in the middle, kind of at the top of the hill between Waldo Place and Eagle Vista.
Drop the gun! Find another entryway so we can set up another contact team. Minimum of 4 officers. Get another unit with you. Set up another Hey, Narco! Form up a contact team with these guys. Find another entryway to get a better vantage point. You two maintain there. Just stay there. Suspects behind the door. Just stay there. Is there another entryway? Get down, get down! Shots fired, shots fired.
Go!
The situation escalated in a matter of seconds. Instead of following orders, things took a violent turn that no one saw coming.
Oh, there were 3 men. She says there were 3 men, and one of them shot her, and the cops are looking for him right now. They have their guns out, and, I don't know if they found him yet or not, but they told me to not look out the window, so I'm not doing that.
So he's not in your yard. You don't know that he's there?
Well, he was in my yard, because that's where he shot her.
Oh, okay.
He shot from the other side? Okay, he shot from the other side of the gate.
Other side, I had my gun,
Okay.
and he said, put down that gun, put down that gun. I said, put down your f***ing gun.
Oh,
And
okay,
then he
okay.
shot me.
Okay, that's what happened, I guess. So,
Yeah. I
okay.
had a gun
So you guys
out.
don't know where he went?
Okay, babe, just please breathe, okay? Okay, how long do you think until someone can be here?
Well, the officers are looking for this man. That's why I'm asking. Do you know where he went?
I have no idea where he went. Where was he when you got shot?
There are 3 men out at the other side of this fence here.
Okay.
Hey, she's shot. She's shot on her arm. Do you want to cuff her? You want me to cuff her? Okay. Put your other handgun in your back.
After an hour of waiting and a confusing phone call to dispatch, the standoff finally came to an end. This is the moment Jillian Shriner walked out of her home and realized there was nowhere left to go. After the scene was cleared, investigators recovered a 9mm Glock handgun from the yard, along with a spent shell casing, confirming that at least 1 round was fired at the officers. Jillian Shriner, was transported to a local hospital for her injuries and was later booked on a charge of attempted murder. Interestingly, police confirmed that she had no connection to the original accident and actually lived at the residence. As for the hit and run investigation, one of the original suspects was caught a short distance away but was released after questioning. Authorities are still reviewing that case to see if any charges will be filed for the initial crash. Look, this whole situation is a perfect example of why you never walk into a police perimeter with a gun. When officers are hunting for dangerous suspects, they are on high alert and have to make life or death decisions in a heartbeat. They do not know if you are the homeowner or the person they are looking for. All they see is a threat. The best thing you can do to stay safe is to keep your hands visible and follow every command. It is about staying alive and staying out of prison. So, do you think she was just scared, or did she cross a line? Let us know in the comments. If you want to keep learning how these high-stakes encounters work, stay with us by hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for watching Blue Line Raw.